Okay, we're gonna see how Dexter's doing. There he is. Look at him, he's all excited. He's all happy.
Hello.
Hey, Dexter. He looks really funny.
What are you sitting in the sack? Look at you.